Well, Nidhi, you're absolutely right. Basically what you just mentioned, but the fact seems to be that New Yorkers now really seem to be just getting used to having their bags checked when they enter subways. Today it's been an increase in this checking in response to the bombings of the Mumbai local trains. What the police department says is that, one, they're increasing the number of random bag searches. So this, if I could clarify, is not that everybody gets their bags searched, but it's a random bag search, but they're increasing that. They're also putting in hundreds of extra officers in the subways and the ferries that connect various parts of the island. In the evening, rush are really not so much right now, but increasing as it reaches towards the evening, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock rush hour. And also this is not just going to be uniformed security officials, they're also going to be in their civilian clothes, uniform plain clothes officers are going to be in force this evening, starting from today at least. We're not sure how long this is going to continue, but at least for the day. And really nobody's taking any chances, because New York City, people who live here, New Yorkers, really depend on the subway system. There are about 500, almost 500 subway stations here, so it's quite a serious job for the police to do. And they serve an average of almost 5 million, maybe 4.5 million daily riders. So in the evening, this is seen to be quite a serious target, and New York officials and authorities here are really taking no chances. They claim they're taking a terror attack any place in the world. As long as it's on a public transport system, they're taking that as a serious warning and taking no chances here in New York City.
Sarah Jacob, thanks very much for that update from New York. Well, our reporters have fanned out across Mumbai tonight. NDTV's Prasad Ramamurthy sent us this report just now from Matunga.
We're right now at Matunga station, one of the locations where these blasts have occurred. And as you can see down here, this was a Virar-bound local that left Churchgate station at 5:57. A blast occurred here at 6:20. As you can see, it's the first class men's compartment. Work is still going on to figure out what's been happened. There's, as you can see, a lot of debris. There's suitcases. This was packed at this particular time because it's peak hour in Bombay and people are trying to get home to the western suburbs, to the distant western suburbs. As you can see, there are several policemen over there. Under the rain, under umbrellas, if you can see through the umbrellas, there are people who are trying to investigate what exactly has happened. There's also a tape that's blocking off people's access to it. And if I can ask my camera to please pan towards the right, there is a police van waiting over there. That van has the survivors, people who came out of the bogie and who've now been kept over there. Several bodies, we are told, were removed from here. The exact number is as yet unknown, and they were taken to local hospitals nearby. In Mumbai, Prasad Ramamurthy for NDTV.